Did you know you can customize almost any object with hydro dipping, also known as water transfer printing? Plastic, metal, wood, glass, and even ceramics can gain a professional finish. And the best part, it's low cost to start your first projects. Hydro dipping is a simple technique that transfers printed images onto objects using water. It's not only creative, but also a profitable opportunity. Customers value exclusivity, and you can offer exactly that. With our training, you'll learn step by step, and in less than 1 month, you'll be creating unique designs with confidence. These projects were created by students who started with no experience. They learned how to prepare materials, apply paint, transfer films, and finish with professional varnish. You'll also discover how to price your work, attract clients, and turn hydro dipping into a profitable side hustle. In the first module of the course, let's learn the most important step of the hydrographic painting process, which is the brightness of the parts. You will learn how to prepare different types of materials: metal, wood, plastic, ceramic, glass. You will learn all about the importance of cleaning objects, how to sand application of adhesion sealants and application and need to use the primer. The second step is where our works begin to come to life and color. The paint is the basis for hydrographic diving. In these classes, we will learn about the types of paint, the background colors, and how to make a correct application. Now we arrive at the most anticipated time of the course. Step 3, hydro dipping, is the transfer of the film to the objects, the famous hydrographic dive. You will learn step-by-step hydrographic perfect and with as little waste as possible. Step 4 is the finishing. You will find out how to bring quality and durability for your projects. In this module, let's learn how to apply clear coat professionally. You will learn all necessary techniques to apply and handle the both spray as in paint guns with air compressor. In this incredible bonus, you will learn how to use your jet printer for making films hydrographic exclusive. You will learn all about the most used printer types, which roll and which ink are ideal for this type of work. And you will also learn how to prepare the film after printing, how to put it in water to dip the object, wash, and apply final finish, making a perfect customization. With these classes, you will get the chance to improve your painting skills with advanced techniques, such as candy paint and chrome effect paint. You will learn current techniques and widely used in the world of automotive painting. We'll find out which are the most used products and how to proceed to mix these paints to get to this metallic rock. We'll also learn how to apply this ink, what is the drying time, and much more. You will become an expert painter hydrographic and will still impress your customers with these effects.
O curso é totalmente online e está hospedado em uma das maiores plataformas de cursos do Brasil. Então seu dinheiro está 100% seguro e você tem uma garantia dupla de 30 dias. E se, em 7 dias, por qualquer motivo você não gostar do curso, basta pedir todo o seu dinheiro de volta, sem perguntas e sem ressentimentos. Se isso tudo te interessa muito e você quer transformar o seu hobby, a sua paixão, em uma profissão que pode mudar a sua vida e a da sua família, aperte o botão aqui embaixo e se inscreva agora mesmo no treinamento mais completo de pintura hidrográfica do Brasil. Um grande abraço e te espero lá.
Enroll today for only $47 and start your hydro dipping journey. Click the button below and join the most complete hydro dipping training available online.